Hello. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So hello and welcome. I suppose again there is some technical mistake that I have just corrected. Thank you very much for joining in. Okay, I got it. Fine. So a very good evening to those who have joined us live, and a very warm welcome to those who will be watching the replay of this particular video. So first of all, I would like to introduce today's topic, that is the moving average. Although this is a very simple topic as to what is a moving average, most of the people know already. But the thing is, we are going to dive in deep uh, into the concept of moving average. Why moving averages are one of the most reputed out there, reputed indicators, one of the oldest indicators, and yet they are one of the best indicators in the market out right now. So it is really, really a fascinating indicator. A lot of other indicators are based on moving averages, and that is how we will do. Also, there has been one, explosive news in the morning, I suppose, relating to Japanese yen. So I will try to explain it in today's session as well. So just continuing that in Hindi as well. तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक मूविंग एवरेजेस से रिलेटेड है। मूविंग एवरेज काफ़ी आसान है समझने में, काफ़ी सिंपल लगता है, ठीक है? बट इट इज़ मतलब वो इतना ज़्यादा आसान भी नहीं है, उसका जो कोर है, उसका जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, वो काफ़ी हद तक बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, आई वुड से। और मूविंग एवरेजेस का ये फ़ायदा, किस तरीके से हम फ़ायदा ले सकते हैं मूविंग एवरेजेस का। क्योंकि कई बार लोगों को सिर्फ़ एक मूविंग एवरेज की एक लाइन समझ में आती है, एक लाइन ड्रॉ होती है चार्ट पे और उसका क्या करना है उनको, सिर्फ़ एक ही तरीके से या एक पर्सपेक्टिव से देख पाते हैं मूविंग एवरेज को, राइट? एक नज़रिए से देख पाते हैं कि किस तरीके से उसमें से सिग्नल्स आ पाएँ एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, राइट? बट व्हेन दिस हैपेंस अ, आज के सेशन में हम थोड़ा-सा उसके अंदर करीबी से देखेंगे मूविंग एवरेज को, एग्ज़ैक्टली मूविंग एवरेज का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है? क्यों मूविंग एवरेज इम्पोर्टेंट है? ट्रेडिंग के पर्सपेक्टिव से, सिग्नल्स के पर्सपेक्टिव से और मूविंग एवरेज को अलग-अलग तरीके से यूज़फुलनेस जो है मूविंग एवरेज की। एक सिंपल इंडिकेटर तो कितनी अलग-अलग तरीके से हमको एक पर्सपेक्टिव दे सकता है मार्केट का, ट्रेडिंग का, राइट? और सिग्नल्स जनरेट करने का। एवरीथिंग विल बी विजिबल, एवरीथिंग विल बी कवर्ड इन टुडेज़ सेशन। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, आज सुबह में थोड़ा-सा न्यूज़ आया था येन का, राइट? जापानीज़ येन का एंड उस वजह से थोड़ा-सा मार्केट में ऊपर-नीचे हुआ है, राइट? देयर इज़ अ मूवमेंट इन द मार्केट स्पेशली इन येन रिलेटेड पेयर्स, ओके? येन रिलेटेड पेयर्स में थोड़ा-सा मूवमेंट आया है, बॉन्ड मार्केट में काफ़ी मूवमेंट आया है। बट व्हाट वी विल डू इज़ वी विल ट्राई टू डिकोड व्हाट द न्यूज़ इज़। हम डिकोड करेंगे उस न्यूज़ को कि किस तरीके से उसने इम्पैक्ट किया है और इन द कमिंग मंथ्स आगे चल के कुछ महीनों में किस तरीके का डेवलपमेंट पॉसिबल है, वो भी हम देखेंगे, राइट? So let us begin today's session. Okay, I suppose it is visible. This particular tab is visible. If there is any trouble, just post it on the chat box that the audio or video is not audible or visible as such. Okay, so we keep on checking this particular thing. Okay, I will have to remove. I suppose. Okay, now it is visible. Okay, got it. So the charts are visible for now. Okay, this has been the chart of USD yen, that is the dollar yen chart. Today's movement has been outstandingly amazing because a lot of things have been reported, a lot of things have been changed as such in the market. Right? Do not see such a huge candle except for the 10th and 11th one. Do not see such a movement. So this is a movement that has offered almost around 3% change in the value. Right? I will try to get back to this. As you can see better. Right? This is the scenario in USD JPY. Right? Today's itself, today's number, let's go on to 30-minute time frame, and this is when 8:30 around. We saw that there was an announcement made by the Japanese bank, central bank, that is the Bank of Japan. Its governor, its chairman, he decided to make some announcements related to bond buying and the bond yield structure. They wanted to buy back certain bonds, and there was a highly dovish tone in his speech that even he was saying that there is further easing possible. If possible, we will further ease the market, further ease the short-term interest rate in order to provide the boost to the market, Japanese market. So this is a scenario that has been at the market nearly 500 pips of difference. Currently, it's trading somewhere around 132. The morning it was somewhere around 137. So such a huge movement, completely fundamental. Okay, nothing that you can do. If you are holding a position of long in this position, then such a movement can wipe out a lot of things from your account. Okay, so let's see on the daily time frame why longing in such a position is a very bad idea. Okay, we already discussed this in previous videos, I suppose, in previous live streams, right? This is somewhat the trend line for the pair that we are seeing today. We have seen a very good breakdown from the trend line in this particular candle on 10th of November. We have seen a pullback also, and we have seen again a downward trend. Yeah. Then there was a ranging market somewhat here. Okay, and then there is this downfall. Okay, huge downfall, completely fundamental. No, I would say no further ideas that could have been provided as to what to do. Such a position. If you are holding a short position somewhere from here itself, then you would have got great returns from this position. This basically I drew this particular trend line just to make one important you know important idea or important okay, a very good pull up, pull back all the way to the trend line and then started moving down. So this is the power of the trend line that we had drawn in the previous live sessions. And it has worked out to be absolutely critical to the movement of this pair. Okay, we can see that it has broken down almost February till November. So almost 10 months, 10, 11 months of movement here of the uptrend has been converted into a downtrend. And now it is following that suit. Today's news that I will share with you what is happening for today of this week and then it will be a news all apart. Yeah. So this is something of this sort. Is 25th of December. Today was monetary policy statement by BOJ, the Bank of Japan. But what happened was it was kept unchanged, that is negative 0.1%. refresh this because you guys are visible and apply some. This is fine. Okay, this one is this. So today at around 8:30, we saw the monetary policy statement by them. The rate was changed, but the rate was kept unchanged. Okay, there was no uh, hikes as to many speculators were telling that now a tightening is required in the Japanese market because maybe the inflation that the Bank of Japan is looking for has been reached somewhere around 3.7%. Okay, 3.7%, 3.6% or whatever, right? And now we are looking at a increase in the inflation. Okay, that is going to come on December 23rd. That is 3 days after this particular session. Okay, we will see the national core CPI year on year, and then again there will be a monetary policy meeting, and there will be some discussion regarding the future policy, stance of Bank of Japan. As of now, we have seen a very good movement during the BOJ's press conference in which the chairman of Bank of Japan, Mr. Kuroda, right, he was basically constantly making this point that Japanese market is going to be under pressure in 2023, and we need to provide certain easing measures to the market. We also need to buy back the bonds in order to provide that stimulus to the market. Okay, that stimulus, that spending, and also there was some. If I'm not very, my memory is fading right now, but if I'm not wrong, he also mentioned that the real rates are not actually up to the level that we wanted it to be. Okay, they want to increase the inflation. They still feel that there is a deflation in this market. Okay, in the Japanese market. So this is what has happened. A lot of speculators were already teaming up, and they were telling that yes, this could happen, obviously. But certain dovish statements that were made that uh, regarding the uh, you know regarding the fund rate change, okay, policy rate change, that somewhat gave a mixed signal. Okay, and there was a good amount of support around 131, if I'm not wrong. That was this particular point. Okay, 130, 131.9. This raw levels that we visible very well. Somewhere around this. Okay, so if you note, this was the low of August. Okay, the month of August, this was almost the low. Okay, this is the actual low of month of August, but this was somewhat a very proper point in which we are also getting the trend line involved in this particular point. So 131.9, somewhere around this particular point, there is a good amount of support, and the price has started retaliating from this particular point before reaching this point. So obviously, the speculators, what they were demanding, they did see that particular kind of a dovish statement in the market. Okay, but what about the bond buying? The bond buying has completely shattered this particular moment, which could have been like this. It could have been like this if same dovish statements came without the bond buying statement. Okay, the bond buying structural program that has been released. I also had that in one of the tabs. Let it be. You can check it out on the Bank of Japan's website. They have proposed a particular plan in which they have said what all things they are going to buy back. So this is the scenario in USD JPY. Okay, it's going down. It has reached a certain point where it might reverse or might not. It would just come back down, slice through this particular support, and then continue its journey downwards. There might be a small pullback. Looking at the movement of today's, okay, there might be a small pullback because this is a very frantic movement. Okay, frantic in the sense nobody got the chance to take a position in this scenario. Okay, there were many institutions and there were many people who were constantly eyeing on this particular market, especially USD JPY, especially yen currency, and there were multiple options where you could have entered. Okay, but this particular candle within a 15-minute time frame. Okay, if we come into a 5-minute time frame, then also we are getting very less opportunities to get into a trade. Okay, especially those who are staying here in India, they might have not got that time. Okay, right. However, there was a small resistance around 142. Okay, which I'm not being touched 42 around 141 something. Okay, went all the way down. Then it was slowly moving upside. If you notice, slowly moving upside to 142 somewhere around. But it did not because of this particular news event. Okay, just came falling down. Okay. So I suppose those who wanted me to repeat it in Hindi, I just give a small description of what is happening. इस तरीके से यहाँ पे ब्रेकडाउन हुआ था अराउंड 10th ऑफ नवंबर एंड ये ब्रेकडाउन के बाद यू कैन सी एक छोटा सा पुल बैक भी आया है यहाँ पे जो पुल बैक एग्जैक्टली ट्रेंड लाइन को टच किया राइट ट्रेंड लाइन को टच करने के बाद फिर से ये प्राइस एक्शन जो है नीचे आ गया राइट हमने देखा कि 131 के आसपास 131 7.7.9 पॉइंट वॉटेवर राइट तो यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा सपोर्ट दिख रहा है यहाँ पे इस बार भी पॉसिबल दैट मल्टीपल जगह पे यहाँ पे सपोर्ट हुआ है इस पॉइंट राइट तो यहाँ पे एक सपोर्ट हो सकता है तो ये सपोर्ट इस कितनी देर तक टिकेगा दैट इज करंटली यू नो 50-50 okay we can't say much about it it can just slice through like a cake and take a support pull back for some time and then again go down why go down because this is already in a downturn this is the early stage of a downturn okay we have already seen accumulation here we have already seen participation accumulation now we are about to see distribution distribution somewhat around has started happening on the top also. Okay. Now distribution will come into the phase again. And slowly they will move on. Now not only this, the Japanese again ये जो करता धरता है सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ जापान उन्होंने बॉन्ड बाइंग का बताया बट थोड़ा सा प्रेशर यूएसडी मार्केट पे भी है राइट डॉलर मार्केट पे भी है कि किस तरीके से डॉलर मार्केट परफॉर्म कर रहा है ठीक है और इन्फ्लेशन कंट्रोल में आ रहा है राइट रेट हाइक फिर भी किए जा रहे हैं राइट तो एक टाइप का रिसेशन का फियर आ गया है मार्केट में कि कहीं यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स का मार्केट जो है रिसेशन में चले जाएगा राइट और रिसेशन की वजह से यूएस स्टॉक्स का बहुत नुकसान हुआ है राइट तो इफ यू गो एंड सी S&P 500 we have seen that there is a movement of it. And this thing I have drawn very I suppose way back that is following a particular range तो यहीं पे रेंज का काम किया है यहाँ पे जो बहुत जोरदार ठीक है लाइन को टच करके again it has started falling okay and this has put a pressure on the market okay S&P 500 see if it is Nasdaq that has also come under pressure क्योंकि काफी सारे फंडामेंटल फैक्टर्स भी इन्वॉल्व है जिसके बारे में हम बात नहीं करेंगे because the video will continue on for a week then we are talking about all of this yeah, I can talk for days if not you know hours. So let us just continue. We just stick to one simple pair. Okay, so for example, gold. These are the levels that I shared previously. See better. Okay. Worked absolutely fine, huh? These levels. These levels. Okay. I need to keep these lines intact. हमें ये लाइन चाहिए इसके लिए हमने सिंगुलरली सिलेक्ट करके इस तरह से करा है तो ये पोजीशन कुछ बनती दिख रही है गोल्ड में राइट इस तरीके के लेवल्स पे काफ़ी अच्छे से सपोर्ट भी लिया है कई बार राइट ये ब्रेक डाउन था यहाँ पर रेजिस्टेंस था काफ़ी अच्छे से सपोर्ट लिया मल्टीपल टाइम सपोर्ट किया मल्टीपल टाइम रेजिस्टेंस हुआ है राइट यहाँ पे जाके थोड़ा सा इसका रेजिलियंस दिखाया है यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा एक इच्छा जताइए कि यस आई वांट टू ब्रेक आउट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर रेंज बहुत हो गया ये रेंज में 1785 से 1770 का नाउ आई विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट ये नेक्स्ट रेंज में बहुत अमेजिंगली पहुंच गया यूजिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर कैंडल very good movement upside okay now we need to wait for a pullback support pullback यहाँ पे आया and then it went up again. Now again resistance was hit, it came down. Now if once the price has been established, ठीक है, एक बार establish हो गया कि ये price ऊपर जा रहा है, right? Then it will take somewhat of a candlestick pattern to recognize what is happening. Okay, this somewhat looks like an inverted hammer, and then it went up. Again, resistance was not properly, respected. I would say yes, this was not respected at this time. A false breakout, and then it went again down. Good amount of resistance in here, good amount of support in here. Again support, again resistance, again, and then it went up. Okay, again, we are seeing that there is a resistance somewhere around 18 until it's 7. Okay. So all of these levels are outstandingly well. Okay. They have been working from a very long time. Now let us just delete all these. Okay. All of these levels that I just showed you were purely for education purposes. Okay. Nothing regarding trading as such. Okay. Completely for education purposes only. Okay. Period. So this is the scenario. Now we were discussing about indicator, that is the moving average. Okay. Indicator moving average is an outstanding indicator, one of the most reputed indicator. Okay, and it is also called an overlay. Okay, to search moving average, you will come across moving average. You will click on this and you will see moving average has appeared. मूविंग एवरेज को ओवरले कहते हैं, ओवरले इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि ये हम इसलिए कर रहे हैं कि थोड़ा सेटिंग चेंज करके वी कैन सी बेटर। ठीक है, तो स्टिंग नहीं करना पड़ेगा, देखना नहीं पड़ेगा कि आसानी से दिख जाएगा क्या हो रहा है। ठीक है, तो ये एक मूविंग एवरेज लाइन है, राइट? इट इज़ वेरी शॉर्ट, इट इज़ 9 पीरियड मूविंग एवरेज है। तो थोड़ा बढ़ा देंगे, 15 कर देंगे। ओके, yes. So I'll first explain in English what is going on. This is the moving average line. Everybody has seen it, everybody has put on charts, and everybody has analyzed it. Everybody has tried to do something with it. Okay. Now, what is moving average and why it is giving us many perspectives that needs to be seen. Okay. First of all, moving average is a very versatile indicator. Why versatile? Because it is completely based on price, right? Previously, I have shown you that how to take out average, right? We had conducted a Excel wala workout, right? We tried to move that into Excel and we tried to take out averages of daily prices, right? But we don't need to do every single time. Okay, we don't need to calculate it by ourselves. We just need to go into this indicators tab and then type in moving average, and it comes out as this. मूविंग एवरेज की काफ़ी सारी सेटिंग रहती है, जैसे टाइम फ्रेम आपको चार्ट रखना है या वॉटेवर टाइप का टाइम फ्रेम सिलेक्ट करना है वो आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो। चार्ट का मतलब ये होता है कि जो चार्ट सिलेक्ट करोगे 30 मिनट चार्ट सिलेक्ट, मूविंग एवरेज भी 30 मिनट के ही दिखाएगा। ठीक है, तो आप चार्ट को रखें तो बेटर रहेगा। देन लेंथ, लेंथ को हम लुक बैक पीरियड भी बोलते हैं कि कितने प्राइसेस, ओके, अकाउंट होंगे, कितने प्राइसेस दिखाएंगे क्लोज में, तब जाके वो मूविंग एवरेज का प्लॉटिंग क्रिएट होगा। ठीक है, अभी हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन इन हिंदी एग्जैक्टली कि प्लॉट कैसा होता है, प्लॉट को क्या बोलते हैं ये मुझे पता नहीं। आप समझ लीजिए कि किस तरीके से मतलब जो ड्रॉ करेंगे हम उसको प्लॉटिंग बोलते हैं, राइट? अब हम तो खुद ड्रॉ नहीं कर रहे, ऑब्वियसली ये स्टार्टिंग सॉफ्टवेयर ड्रॉ कर रहा है, राइट? अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस देयर इज सोर्स, सोर्स यूजुअली क्लोज पे होता है, राइट? और काफ़ी सारे ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं यहाँ पे, ओपन, हाई, लो, क्लोज। ओपन भी यूज़ भी कर सकते हैं। ओपन मतलब ओपनिंग प्राइस के हिसाब से एवरेज निकालेगा, एवरेज निकालने के बाद उसको ड्रॉ करेगा ऑन द चार्ट, राइट? कौन करेगा? ट्रेडिंग सॉफ्टवेयर। हाई, लो, क्लोज का सेम सेम फंडा है। क्लोजिंग प्राइस लेगा, हाई में हाई प्राइस लेगा, लो में लो प्राइस लेगा, ओके? देन HL2 भी लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे। व्हाट इज HL2? HL2 मतलब हाई लो, ठीक है? हाई लो मूविंग एवरेज बोलते हैं उसे। तो हाई लो मूविंग एवरेज को भी यूज़ किया जा सकता है। हाई लो क्लोज HL3 को भी यूज़ किया जा सकता है। OHLC4, OHLC4 मतलब चारों ओपनिंग प्राइस, हाई प्राइस, लो प्राइस, क्लोज प्राइस, इन चारों को एवरेज करके उसका मूविंग एवरेज निकालना। दैट इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल यूजिंग दिस। देन HLCC, दैट इज क्लोज दो बार काउंट होगा, हाई लो उसका एवरेज निकलेगा, उसका मूविंग एवरेज। अंडरस्टूड? It is an outstanding thing. Let's keep it on close. Smoothing, we don't need to see it like yet. I make a line, you can switch it on, switch it off. Okay. I try to use white because the background is black. Everything we have seen regarding the sector. Okay. This is an outstanding indicator. Why? Because it is a lagging indicator. What is a lagging indicator, sir? So lagging indicator, let me just see if any comments have come up here. Voice is breaking a lot. Is it now audible clearly? Or is everything? Hello? Let me just see if, sometimes what happens, I just continue forever. I don't know what is happening in the chat box. Is it now audible clearly? Just put a thumbs up here. The chat box here. Okay. I suppose the voice is okay right now. I just change the premium. Okay. Hello. Okay. If my voice is not audible, it is trouble. Just check if the voice is audible. If not, then let me know. I will try to see if there is a difficulty to this setup. Okay. I suppose it is all right. And screen is also visible. Right. We'll continue the process. So moving averages, right? So moving averages are very, very crucial, and a lot of changes can be made to moving average. ठीक है, काफी सारे हम changes कर सकते हैं moving average को, और multiple positions में multiple circumstances में हम उसको समझ सकते हैं, right? So this is a 15-day 15 period moving average और ना 15 मिनट चार्ट। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? 15 मिनट का एक टाइम फ्रेम कैलकुलेट हुआ, उसका जो क्लोजिंग प्राइस, राइट? फॉर एग्जांपल अभी का जो क्लोजिंग प्राइस चल रहा है वो 18 of 5 और चेंज हो रहा है, फ्लिप हो रहा है ऊपर से ऊपर नीचे, राइट? इट माइट बी चेंजिंग, बट प्रीवियसली द कैंडल व्हिच हैज बीन क्लोज्ड इन द सेंस जिसका क्लोजिंग प्राइस जो है डिसाइड हो चुका है, विच इज 1805.14, यू कैन सी इट हियर। 1805.14 पे ये कैंडल क्लोज हुआ। इसके पहले वाला क्लोज हुआ है 1807.17। देन अकॉर्डिंगली इससे 15 कैंडल्स काउंट होते हैं। से फॉर एग्जांपल ये हमारा 15वां कैंडल है, इसका स्मॉल कैंडल क्लोजिंग इज अराउंड 1794। ओके, जस्ट एग्जांपल, ओके, आई एम नॉट काउंटिंग द कैंडल। 1794.09 इसका क्लोजिंग। तो किस तरीके से काउंट होगा ये पर्टिकुलर मूविंग एवरेज सेटअप करने में? तो ये पूरे एडिशन होगा अभी तक का, राइट, और अभी का जो कैंडल है उसका काउंट होगा, राइट, 15 कैंडल। एंड देन जो आंसर निकल के आएगा, summation of all the closing price divided by 15, because 15 पीरियड है, राइट, एंड देन वो पॉइंट यहाँ पे प्लॉट किया जाएगा, राइट। पॉइंट को पिछले पॉइंट से ज्वाइन किया जाएगा एंड देन इट बिकम द लाइन, राइट। तो इस तरीके से मूव होता रहता है। जैसे ही ये 15 मिनट का कैंडल खत्म हुआ, इसके बाद एक अनदर कैंडल विल बी फॉर्म फॉर 15 मिनट, देन वी विल काउंट फ्रॉम नॉट दिस कैंडल बट दिस कैंडल, अंडरस्टूड। तो इस तरीके से मूविंग एवरेज वर्क, राइट। इट टेक्स इनटू अकाउंट द पास्ट प्राइस डेटा, right? This is the scenario of how it is constructed. I suppose everyone is fine with the voice. If there is any trouble, just keep on posting in the chat box. Otherwise, I won't know what is happening. Okay. And it would be email. It would be that we are doing for that I'm putting right now. Okay. So just keep on posting on the chat box. It's for free. Okay. Nobody is asking for money to post in the chat box. So you can post your queries as well, not only regarding the technical issue, but also your queries, right? So this is the moving average. Now, how to interpret? What is the interpretation of moving average line? Right? That is also important. And how to use it. Apart from that, how to generate signals from a moving average line. Now, in the starting, I said the moving average काफी simple है, right? Moving average is very simple. बट मूविंग एवरेज को लोग एक ही नजरिए से देखते हैं, एक ही पर्सपेक्टिव से देखते हैं, राइट। एक छोटा सा मूविंग एवरेज है, ओके, इट इज मूविंग अराउंड, लाइन है, तो प्राइस ऊपर रहा देन इट इज बुलिश, प्राइस इज डाउन बिलो द मूविंग एवरेज देन इट इज बेरिश। इज इट जस्ट दिस? ओके, or is there something else to it? That we will see. We'll try to keep intraday only 15 minutes, okay, and we'll change the length. We'll change the length to 50 for example. इसमें कितने कैंडल काउंट होने वाले हैं? 50 कैंडल, अभी का कैंडल और इसके पिछले 50 कैंडल तक का कैंडल, ऑल ऑफ दीज विल बी कैलकुलेटेड। उनका एवरेज निकाला जाएगा, उनका पॉइंट प्लॉट किया जाएगा और पिछले पॉइंट से ज्वाइन किया जाएगा, विच गिव्स अस अ लाइन, ओके। और दिस लाइन विल कंटिन्यू फॉरएवर टिल द प्राइस एक्शन इज वर्किंग, राइट। ये मूविंग एवरेज यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, लॉन्ग टर्म मूविंग एवरेज, बिकॉज 50 कैंडल काउंट है, राइट। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि ये हमको ट्रेंड देखने में समझाता है कि व्हाट इज द ट्रेंड करंटली ऑफ द मार्केट, राइट। सो व्हेन द ट्रेंड इज रेंजिंग, if the trend is ranging, then the moving average will be flat like this. Okay. If the trend is in uptrend, then the moving average will be like this. Obviously, right? And if the trend is a downtrend, then the line of moving average will be in a downtrend like this. Got it? ये रेंजिंग मार्केट क्या हो गया और ये अप ट्रेंड मार्केट क्या हो गया, डाउन ट्रेंड मार्केट क्या हो गया? First of all, note that what kind of length we have selected. We selected a 50-day, 50 period moving average. Okay. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि बहुत लंबा हम पर्सपेक्टिव देख रहे हैं, राइट। तो आज हमने अगर एक पोजीशन ले लिया, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमको स्कैल्पिंग करके निकल जाना है। You have to hold that position. This is the scenario. If we are selecting a very good long time frame in the moving average, a long look back period is selected, then it means that we have to wait. We have to wait and see. That is the scenario. Now we will see there is a very strong movement upwards in India, right? Right? But the moving average does not respond to it. It is still flat somewhere around there at this point. It's still flat. We can't count this particular thing as a very good uptrend. Huh? We can count this as an uptrend. Okay. But till the point it is starting the uptrend, the whole price action has reached its upside. It has covered up almost 100% of its potential. ये जो मूवमेंट है हमको ये हमको काउंटर करने मिला ही नहीं, हमको एडअप करने मिला ही नहीं अपनी पोजीशन में, because we were waiting to see this uptrend का लाइन, isn't it? हमको जो पोजीशन लेना होगा तो हम थोड़ा ना इसका वेट करेंगे कि यार when it will turn into an uptrend, when this line of moving average would start looking like this, like a steeper line, a steeper mountain, right? Okay. Okay. We have got some enlightened traders who are joining. Thank you very much for joining in, Galvin. But with this particular, I would say this particular thing is for beginner traders. Okay. So, okay. This one is for beginning traders only. Beginner traders only. And if you are looking out for some other complex theories and complex things to be analyzed, then we can do and we can connect on Telegram. We have our group as well on Telegram. You can connect to us on this particular platform. We can have further discussion on it, right? Don't worry about it. This is just for beginning traders who are new to the space. Okay, and that is kind of boiling it down to the so basic things that everybody would remember. Even a small child would understand it and would remember it. Okay, so this is not for very advanced traders. Straight out. Okay, and these most of the public out there also knows that this moving average is very simple, but still we are understanding it from a very small perspective. The market dynamics obviously does not dictate because there are fundamental factors involved obviously. But this is a technical analysis kind of thing. Okay. So we need to look at certain indicators. We need to look at to identify different indicators in what they are telling us. Okay. So this is not naive. Okay. Might be naive to you. Okay. You might be a advanced trader. I completely respect that. But this is for beginner traders only. Okay. If you feel that you need to move on to something in advance, we do post our comments and commentaries on and reports on the current market situation on our different social media channels. You can connect to us on this particular channel. Apart from that, you have also told me that training went smoothly for me as I was able to make M1 to BTC starting with this BTC by copying and implementing. I can't see a complete your complete comment. Okay, I can't see the complete comment. I will just get back to you after you complete this slide. Okay, don't worry about it. This is for beginner traders only. Those who believe that it is very naive for them. So you may join different any other particular live stream session. Okay. We have covered Fibonacci regression, kind of like those things if you like, and you can go on to that particular thing. Because I don't think that Rome was built in a day. Okay, we need to know, even though moving average is naive, multiple people may say that this is very simple, but still we need to know it. Okay, you can't just jump onto some different, advanced technical indicator or advanced form of factor to get sent to the market. Because I always say that there are only two goals in the market. Okay. There is only decision one to make, and that decision is a Boolean decision. You can either buy or you can either sell, except for, say, for example, certain other markets where, say, for example, they are derivatives, okay, when you need to consider call or put. Apart from that, you just need to focus on buying or selling if you are in the market. Okay. So, how to get there? That is that process can be multiple. Okay, that path of moving in that direction might be different for different people. But at the end of the day, you are either buying or selling, nothing else. Okay, and if you are buying, somebody is selling. If you are selling, somebody is buying. So at the end of the day, it is a zero sum game. Okay, when you are copying and implementing those, I couldn't see the whole comment, but I will get back to this. question. Thank you very much for commenting. Yeah, if you're copying and putting up complete your complete faith into a trading strategy of somebody else's, then my friend, that might be a trouble for you. So you need to look out for yourself. Okay, you need to learn yourself and then jump in the market. That is very true. Okay, no one can say that this is not true. If copy trading was completely, uh, to be trusted, okay, then everybody was rich. Everybody would be rich, right? Otherwise, what we need to do is to wait, learn slowly, make up the risk capital that we want, then slowly and steadily trade in the market. You know, whatever our risk appetite is, you need to work according to that. Okay, if you've got a very good risk capital, you can take good decisions. You can, but before taking those decisions, it is very important to learn. Okay, so that is the only reality of the market. Okay, there is nothing to the market because many people say moving average is naive, but moving average, you don't know. Moving average has more than 30 variations. Okay, I can put up any particular variation in any scenario, and it would give me a mind-blowing setup. Okay, even different indicators which point to us in the direction which give us spoon-fed decisions of trading, spoon-fed signals that also are dependent on moving averages and their calculation. Okay. For example, Bollinger Bands is based on moving average. For example, moving average convergence average, MACD indicator. It is based on moving average, right? So we don't need to say that it is simple or naive. It is not for me. It is for everybody. Okay. And this was one perspective, right? So going down, that means downtrend. But the problem with moving average is that it identifies a trend very slowly. Okay. Because it is counting in the previous version also, no? The previous closing also. So if I'm changing this 50 to let's say 10, now see the moving average, right? It is very much closer to the price action, right? And it is reacting also very fast, right? It is reacting to the price movement very fast, right? Isn't it? It's visible very simply. Yeah, has taken a movement up from here to this point, correct? So this is the way we can change the length. This is the first perspective that I wanted to show. Okay. I suppose the audio is fine. Then again, if the line is almost flat, you don't need to trade in that particular position. Okay. Although people might say, "But then how will we progress?" You can progress by using this particular position. Okay. You can take a position here also. Okay. If this is a candle, confirming candle, you can take a position here also. Earn this much. Why to go in all these troubles just to get this particular movement? Okay. If you can earn the double the movement in this particular position, don't do this. Okay. It is only going to, you know, add to your losses. Don't do this. Okay. If the it is also called sneaking, if I'm not wrong. If I'm using two or three moving averages, right, it will also almost look like a sneaking pattern. But I will show to you in NA cross further in the future that we will do. Those live streams that we will do. Okay. We will cover it as well. Then the second perspective that moving averages give us, what is that? First perspective was according to the length, the movement has been. Okay. The movement can be characterized, or the movement can be understood. The second perspective is that the moving averages can be understood as a very good support and resistance block. Okay. They themselves act as support and resistance. Okay. Multiple times. changing this to say, for example, 50, it's okay. This is a resistance. If the price, okay, process over and process under, okay, there are multiple positions that can be created. Look at this particular position. Okay. I'm showing the past action and also we will go on to the live action as well. Okay, it has moved up using a breakout candle. This is a breakout candle and has moved up. Okay, it has moved up. It has touched a particular point, extreme point, and then it has went all the way down. Okay, all the way down to somewhat of a support. It is not clear support. Okay, it is not completely, you know, respecting the moving average as a support. But faintly you can get an idea that this is acting as a resistance after this breakdown has happened. Okay. तो यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस का दिख रहा है राइट दिस रेजिस्टेंस हैज वर्क एंड दैट वेंट डाउन दिस वांट टू बी नेक्स्ट लेवल इसको मैंने समझाया था मीन रिवर्जन थ्योरी में ओके देयर इज अ वीडियो विद द टॉपिक मीन रिवर्जन थ्योरी ओके वो मैंने इसलिए पढ़ाया था ताकि आज वो मैंने आपको इसलिए बताया था ताकि आज हमको ये काम आ सके मीन रिवर्जन you can just go on to the YouTube channel of this particular topic and search for mean reversion theory. Mean reversion क्या होता है? Mean basically average पे ही बोलते हैं मैथ्स में, राइट? रिवर्स बार बार रिवर्स होता है मीन की तरफ, ठीक है? तो कहते हैं ना हिंदी में कोई मुहावरा है कि सुबह का बुला शाम को घर पे आ जाता है, तो ये घर पे आ रहा है ये बार बार ट्वाइस एक्शन, ठीक है? मीन इज लाइक इट्स होम एंड इट इज कमिंग बैक टू द होम, ओके? Now, all these things, why I say all these naive things, it might sound like, okay, this is very easy, this is very good. To many people, okay, not only to the beginning traders also, but they will feel that there is some form of simpleness into this, simplicity into this. But I don't feel that moving averages are simple. You need to give respect to moving averages. If you are not giving, if you are not giving respect to moving averages, then you are not giving respect to MACD, then you are not giving respect to Bollinger Bands and a lot other moving averages. Okay, a lot of factors that were built up, a lot of variations that were built up on using moving averages. Okay. This is not simple. You might consider it simple. Look at this, how well this has functioned, this reversal. Okay, it has just touched it as a resistance point and it has come down. Now, can you avoid this particular position 1796 to 1785? Is this a small movement? Okay. This is the reality. I'm showing it to you on live stream. Okay. This is not a pre-recorded video. If we are going on this particular position, look why it has gone all the way up touching this particular moving average. Why it has gone up, right? So those people who are joined in, I really welcome your comments, but try to be a little bit, welcoming of certain even simple concepts. Okay. It will, completely change your perspective. Okay. It won't be just trading for you guys then. It would be learning more trading rather than actually trading. Because taking losses is a very dangerous feeling. Okay. Okay, it just breaks you from inside and outside. And I know because I've been there. I've been there and done that. Taking losses is not a good thing. Nobody loves taking losses. But learning is in our hands, right? It is under our control. Obviously we can learn. That will learn. Learn even small and dumb concepts which you find, completely, simple and naive, whatever it is. Learn those things. Either ways they are going to happen. Now again, this price has committed an extreme point here at 1809. Okay, there was an extremity here, and then it went all the way down. Again, it is reversing to the mean. This is mean reversion theory in action. I'm showing it to you on live app. Just taking a support, outstanding support here. Why support, sir? There is a wick downwards. We don't consider wick to be a support point. Okay, it could have been like this, or the wick can go up, and the closing should be within this particular position. Okay, just about the closing. Close, the price went down all the way this point, but it went all the way up and closed above the moving average. That means moving average is acted as a support. In the next candle, the low is almost near to the moving average. Okay, you got my point. I suppose most of the people would have got my point. Thank you very much. This is okay. Apart from this, is a current situation. There is a follow-up. There might be a pullback all the way down to this moving average line. Okay, it can continue before candles again. Yeah. There might be some fundamental factors where obviously fundamental factors are involved, right? But when talking about one particular thing, let's focus on that thing only, right? There might be some news at this point in time, right? We don't, we don't need to see that because we are already seeing something, right? There is a mean reversion involved in this particular process. So two things in the second perspective. First, is mean reversion. Second, it acts as a support when the price is above. It acts as a resistance when the price is below. Okay. Third or fourth perspective, I would say, is that moving average crossovers can be seen as a signal. Okay, what are crossovers? Most of the people know. Yeah, but still I would explain. क्रॉसओवर वो होता है देखो यहाँ पे भी रेजिस्टेंस होता है क्रॉसओवर वो होता है जब एक लाइन के ऊपर प्राइस एक्शन चलेगा ठीक है ये लाइन के ऊपर प्राइस एक्शन चला गया ये ऊपर चला गया राइट दिस द बुलिश सिग्नल यू कैन टेक अ पोजीशन ओके इस तरीके से ट्रेंड लाइन में फेक आउट होता है फेक फेक ब्रेकआउट होता है यहाँ पे जैसे फेक ब्रेकआउट होने की कोशिश हुई है राइट देन इट हैज अगेन अटेम्प्टेड एंड देन इट वाज सक्सीडेड सक्सेस कितना था 3 4 $10 78 से लेकर 83 तक अच्छा खासा मूवमेंट था राइट राइट ये अच्छा खासा मूवमेंट को आप कवर कर सकते हैं इसी चीज़ में अगेन इट हैज कम डाउन टेकन सपोर्ट हियर अब वाओ व्हाट अ वंडरफुल थिंग ओके ये आप कहीं पर भी देख लो ठीक है इसमें कितना भी डेटा होगा ना जितना डेटा होगा जहाँ पर भी डेटा होगा आपको बस एक ऑब्जर्वेंट आई चाहिए ठीक है और थोड़ा सा पेशेंस चाहिए राइट दिस इज व्हाट यू रिक्वायर lot more patience and a lot more understanding to look at the price action purely from the perspective of an observant and welcoming eye. Right? Taking support again buying position है अब ये सपोर्ट जो है क्यों सपोर्ट है राइट इज प्राइस ब्रेक ब्रोकन डाउन फ्रॉम दिस जब प्राइस ब्रेक हो जाता है यहाँ से जैसे यहाँ पे होगा देन ये बाइंग का सिग्नल नहीं होता ठीक है सीधा शॉर्ट का सिग्नल हो जाता है यहाँ पे जैसे शॉर्ट का सिग्नल नहीं यहाँ से 1778 से 1774 अच्छा खासा मूवमेंट है ठीक है अगेन यहाँ पे सपोर्ट होगा एक्सट्रीमिटी पॉइंट होगा देन इट इज वेंट अप क्रॉसओवर अगेन क्रॉसओवर का they stayed upside don't sell okay don't cover position now what has happened boom cover your position क्रॉस अंडर हो गया ना यहाँ पे दिस कॉल्ड क्रॉस अंडर अंडर मतलब नीचे जाना क्रॉस के अंडर जाना राइट लाइन के अंडर चले जाना देन क्रॉस ओवर लाइन के ऊपर चले जाना ओके ऊपर अगेन लाइन पोजीशन शॉर्ट शॉर्ट नहीं हुआ यहाँ पे क्योंकि दिस वाज अ फेक शॉर्ट फेक यहाँ पे फेक हो गई अगेन देन इट इज so simple concept regarding market dynamics is proving to be an outstanding measure of taking out trading signals, okay, and understanding the market way better than those who speak hundreds of hours, you know. Recently, I was, very interesting thing that I would want to share with you guys. Just as a closing, remark, closing quote. There's a very good person. There is a very outstanding person. If I'm not wrong, uh, his name is Marty Schwartz. I was reading his one of the articles. Marty Schwartz. Pardon me if the spelling is wrong or something like that. Marty Schwartz is a technical analyst. Okay, a technical analyst ज़माने में हुआ है, ठीक है. And he said that I I literally feel like these are not just exactly quoted words, but I'm just conveying you the meaning of those words. So he says that I really laugh and I really feel enthused when people say that technical analyst. I've never seen a rich technical technician. Technician basically means technical analyst. So he says that I really feel, happy when people are, so dumbfounded and so naive to say that I've never seen a rich technician. Because it is their ego speaking. And he says that I've been working 9 years in fundamentals, but I became rich as a technician. It is his word. I have changed a little bit. Okay, but the meaning remains the same. He says, 9 years I was a fundamental analyst. No, nothing against fundamental analysis. Okay. There has to be some form of fundamental analysis when you are doing technical analysis. You need to know when the news events are coming out, what kind of data will get implemented, so the market will react in what way. You need to know that. But this is his quoted words, okay, not mine. He has been a fundamental analyst, but he says that I have become rich as a technician. When I applied technical theory, when I applied technical aspects to my fundamental understanding of the market, that's when I became rich. So thank you very much for joining in, everyone, guys. It has been an absolute pleasure. Also, to those people who have been very, sound and those who have commented on the video, thank you very much. And please keep an open mind. Okay, please be welcoming of all the thoughts and all the knowledge that comes your way. Put in the efforts to learn. Okay, and just go on with your life. Okay, just get on with your life and achieve good things. Learn and share those learnings. It is very important to share as well. Not just about learning. Sharing those learnings is outstanding. Okay. Take those words in your head with a completely, with a good sense. Okay. Thank you very much for learning it. Take care until next time. I will see you. Until then, happy trading.